Hello everyone. I want to share some information with you about how to read a chart. Most of the time people ask me, how do I read a chart, especially beginners, right? People that just start trading, they don't know anything about reading the overall chart of a stock. So today we will learn about how to read a chart of a stock. We will take two examples. We take CTL, ACRX. Those are two stocks that I'm in right now. So I will take you guys through it so you guys will see how things work when you want to read a chart. When you want to read a chart, you need a time frame. Usually, even if you are day trading, you still need a daily chart or weekly or monthly. But basically, weekly and monthly is good for people that are investing. But the daily chart is really good for people that want to day trade. Okay, you need to look at the key levels of the chart. What is the stock key level? Where are the stock key levels? Okay, the overall trend, the price action, where the price has been, where the price is now, where the price will it likely go. So those are things that you want to look in the price action. So then the last part of it, you want to see what pattern is forming now. What is the pattern that I'm seeing in the stock? Okay, so we will quickly jump into trading view charting software so we can see how things work. So I have a Central Lake CTL, the ticker CTL. I have done all the work on it already. So this is a weekly chart of CTL. I just want to show you some key levels. You have here the resistance. You have right here the resistance. The stock came down here, then it dropped. It didn't go forward. Came down here, drop. Came down here, drop. It came at the bottom right here. This is the support line. Okay, this was the resistance line that I draw. This is the support line. The stock moved downward. Stop down here. Stop here again. Stop here. Stop here. So means that these are the support. So in one of my video I talk about support and resistance. I will link it with this video so you can see it in the description box and click and learn about support and resistance. I'm not going to talk about them in this video, but I want to show you how to read a chart. Okay, so I have my trend line, so I see that the overall this stock is going down. Let's look at the price right here. It was at 41, but the current price is 14. So the stock has dropped big time. So we can tell that this stock is going down. Even the trend line, you can see it that the stock is going down. That's the first thing. You want to see the overall trend of the stock. This stock is heading down. So pay attention if you want to go long, or if you want to go short, it might be a good thing. So, but right now, you just want to know the overall trend, and it's telling me that the stock is heading down. So I have to pay attention. Now, the next thing that I want to use, okay, first of all, I use the time frame. Here you get all the time frame that you can use. You have the daily, the weekly, but I'm using the weekly for this. So I will use the daily for the next one. Okay, you have the 1 minute. So you can do your technical analysis, your reading, depending on the time frame that you have chosen. Okay, so we see that the stock is trending down. So the price has been here at $41, but the price is here at 14. So where the price has been, where it is now, where will it likely go? So I don't know where it will likely go, but there are clues that I can find in the chart that will tell me where the price will go. This price, okay, this stock has a double bottom. You see the red trend line, the stock come and hit this support. This was the support. The support was going down. Now the support become horizontal. You see, I got this white line right here. the support become horizontal. The stock come and hit this support, it bounced off it, it went up this resistance point, it drops again, it got a rejection from that point, it dropped right here, it's finding a support again. So from this support, will it bounce or will it keep dropping? I don't know. So but I'm in this stock, as I said already. I'm in this stock. I bought some share at the support, and I hope that the support will hold. But you never know. That's why I told you guys in some of my video that when you buy at the support, you want to make sure you put a stop loss. A stop loss will kick you out of the stock once the stock is not going in the direction that you think it will go. It will get you out of the stock and you will limit your stop loss. That's a risk management. You need to have a risk management when you are trading because nothing is sure in the stock market. And we trade people, we trade the intention of people. We don't trade the stock. So, what people will be doing at this support, we don't know. If some people think the stock will keep going down, they might be selling it. If some people think the stock will bounce, they might be buying it again. So this is the trend line that I'm expecting the stock to follow because I have this A, B, C, D pattern. So I have this a W pattern that I think this stock will bounce off this support because it hit the support here, then it went up, it hit it again. So what will it do? It will bounce. It will bounce. I bought this stock cheaper. Now I bought it at 14 bucks. Right now it's at 14.45. I'm up 45 cents already on 200 share. So it's not bad. So that's how you do it. So will these hold or will not hold? I have my stop loss below the support. If it won't hold, I will get out the stock. I will get out the stock. It is simple. In trading, you want to limit your stuff, your losses. You don't want to take big losses. Okay, that's why you put your stop losses. That is something really important. The next thing will be the I want to talk about ACRX. It is a penny stock, but it is on the Nasdaq. I will use the daily chart for it so you guys can see it properly what is going on with this stock. This stock broke through this blue line, which was its resistance, went up, went up, went up, did all the stuff. Then the stuff start dropping, and the stock is forming these symmetric triangle that I draw on it. Let me increase it a little bit. So this is reading a chart. This is a technical analysis. You want to read the chart and have some type of prediction. But in the market, in the stock market, if you can predict, that's very powerful. So the stock dropped into this pool, then it got a support here. It bounced off that support. It got a resistance. It got a rejection. Well, then it got a relief here again. Then it trends in range. Then it went up. It got a resistance. It came down here. It got a support. It bounced off the support again. I bought at the support. I bought at 2.43. Now I'm 2.55. I'm already 10 12 cents. So I have my support right here. I have my stop loss right here at the blue line. If the stock doesn't go up, I will be kicked out and I will cut my losses. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm a little bit testy, but it's okay. I'll be fine. Yeah, so this is how you analyze a stock. A stock, you want to read it. You want to see what the stock is doing. What will it do in the future? That's the main thing because you see when this stock come at this support, the support is rising. The resistance is declining as well. But this stock at some point will have to break through or break down. So you want to play it right. I was talking about the bid and ask. You see the bid, this is a penny stock, but the bid and ask, you see, the margin, I mean, the spread is 0.01. This is a good penny stock to trade because some of those penny stock, when the bid is 10 cent, I mean the spread is 10 cent, is too large. When you want to sell, you will encounter some losses. That's why you don't want to mess up with those things. So I will summarize what I said. When you want to read a chart of a stock, you want to use a daily time frame, a weekly or a monthly, depending on your intention. You can use the hourly, you can use the 5 minute, you can use the 2 minute, depend on your trade. If you are day trading, swing trading, if you are investing, depend. You might use a weekly, a monthly for investing, daily for trading, day trading, swing trading, scalp trading, and position trading as well. You want to look for the key levels. Where are the resistance? Where are the support? Then you will look for the overall trend. What's the stock doing overall? Is it down trending? Is it up trending? You want to see that. How choppy is the stock? Then you go to the price action, where the price has been, where the price is now, where will it likely go? Where will the stock go? Once you have those reading experience, you can tell, you can predict at some point. But prediction is the market, is not something that you want to have every day, but you want to predict at 50, 40 to 50%. And then you put your risk management in play. If the stock doesn't go my way, I should exit at this point. And you want, sometimes once you start getting advanced in trading, you'll be looking for some patterns. There are some patterns that the stock from. Once you learn the pattern, you can know this stock will bounce or it will tank. Okay, so those are the things that I want to share with you about reading a chart of the stock. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel and have a nice day. Bye bye.